The frog is. There was once a princess who felt sad when her golden ball fell into a well. The frog promised to retrieve it on one condition. Ha! I will catch your ball if you will allow me to eat and sleep with you, said the frog. The princess agreed, and so the frog swam under the water. The princess got back her golden ball, but forgot about her promise. The frog went to see her, but the princess refused to honor her agreement. The king learned about it. He urged his daughter to fulfill the agreement. The princess had no choice but to obey her father. She allowed the frog to sit beside her and eat her meat that day. The night came, and the frog insisted on sleeping on her bed. The princess refused because she hated the ugly slim frog. Her father reminded her again about the agreement. The princess was forced to carry the frog into her room, and he left her and he left the frog into her room, but the frog crawled into her bed. The princess, angry, the princess seized the frog, threw him forcefully against the wall. The frog fell and did not move. The princess thought she had killed him, and she felt guilty. She was carrying the frog and kissed him. In an instant, the frog turned into a handsome prince. He courted the princess. He courted the princess, and they not after were married and become inseparable sisters.